So I just get everything organic. So just we are just going to get the 1 tablespoon out for the mug cake. So it's just going to go right into the mug for now. Because then we don't have to open another can for just the mug cake. So this one is going to go in.
Do you prefer some specific brand for the pumpkin?
Anything organic.
Okay.
Basically, it is like a 15-ounce can. So
Okay.
I think the standard is that. So
Okay.
since you are the only two here, I can tell you that you can also make like add like you make it into a chai spice pumpkin pie. If
Oh,
you
okay.
you just add the chai masala to this one, it's like the
Oh, the
secret.
usual chai masala, like
Yeah,
the
yeah.
cardamom and all?
I'll send you. You can send it to Ruchi too. So,
Okay.
so
Sure.
this one, and then the eggs. So basically, we all these ingredients that we have,
Hmm.
just keep adding and whisking in there.
Anything for the substitute for eggs?
Not in this one.
Okay.
I mean, it will become very soggy because if we add applesauce, it's again going to be a puree. So,
Same
like, yeah,
consistency.
yeah. So probably I have not tried, so I don't know if I should
Okay.
say that.
No
So
worries.
I mean, we could add applesauce, but then we have to add corn.
Corn flour. Okay.
But I
Yeah,
don't
just
know the
checking.
exact measurement
Yeah,
because I've
yeah.
never made it eggless right now. So like,
Okay.
ding dong.
So two large eggs
Yeah,
basically. Okay. Ruchi, do you eat eggs?
I do.
and then 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream.
Oh,
That's
okay.
gonna go in. See, it's all about Thanksgiving.
Yes. You can worry all about it the day after.
Yeah, or day before you can go for a walk. That's what I'm planning. Maybe I'll go Wednesday and then be ready. And then the sugar. So
You're
it's
using
3/4 cup because I don't like it super sweet. So it's up to you. You can do up to 1 cup. But I do the brown sugar, so the color
hmm
and plus it's healthy, so better than. My boys like it sweet. I don't.
so they can
No, they can
add
add
the
whipping cream on
sweetened
top,
whip.
whatever.
Yeah.
Then it's 1/4 cup of the milk. My 1/4 is missing today. I don't know where I kept it.
You make it look so simple, Radhika.
No, this one is no. You can try actually. I don't. I myself don't like complicated recipes. Like I read and I'm like I'm not going to
Mhm.
try this. This is not. It's too much to do. Then
So
people
is
who have not baked before they feel overwhelmed.
Yeah,
right.
that is me.
Yeah.
So the eggs, the whipping cream, the milk, is it like cold, or do you want it like, should we have like at
Room
room
temperature.
temperature?
Either way is fine.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't make a difference. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't matter because it's going to be baking in there. So
Mm.
eggs, of course, always like you prefer at least 30 minutes before baking. Eggs
Okay.
should not be like super cold.
Okay.
So then what else? I did. Oh yeah. So either you get the pumpkin spice from like the store bought,
Okay.
or you can make your own, just like cloves and black pepper, nutmeg. So just put and make it the fresh one, and then you add that to this.
Okay. So
So
ginger
instead of
is
doing like half teaspoon, you just do like 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
of the
That's
entire
what
thing.
the recipe says here, right? That black pepper, ginger, nutmeg,
Yes,
and
yes, yeah.
ginger.
So what I usually do is I just take like one teaspoon each of all those masalas and then just make a
Okay.
powder out of it because
Okay.
you end up putting it in other stuff also. So
So here you are just going to put 1 teaspoon, right?
yeah, because
Okay.
it is, see,
Okay.
it is like half teaspoon, half teaspoon, half teaspoon. So
One
just,
eighth. Yeah.
yeah. And the secret ingredient, I mean, it sounds weird, but this is the one, the black pepper. It gives
Okay.
like a nice kick to
Mm.
this. Yeah.
Okay.
So just like little bit, not too much.
Yeah, cuts
Just,
down the sweetness too, I guess, a
yeah.
little bit.
And it also adds that little spice to
Mhm.
this. And then just, that's it. It already smells good. I guess. Oh yeah. And then I did not because yeah, the ginger, I had ginger powder, so I did not add it in my mix.
Okay.
I'm just going to add the teaspoon ginger powder.
So salt is in the mixture or salt you have to add separately?
Everything is going to go in the mixture.
Okay.
So that's it. So this, like, if you get the store bought, you have to thaw it, I think 15 minutes. And this you have to actually bake the crust for like 10 minutes before you put the mixture in. So I
Okay.
will do that right now.
Okay.
And then because I make it at home, I just make like the India style holes in there so it doesn't pop. But you do get like weights to put on this. That's fancy way of making it. You get like chain, like beaded chain, where you put that and then you, yeah, so that it doesn't puff. I'm like, I know the Indian way of doing it.
That is the best, right?
Yeah,
Kam
yeah, yeah.
chilao,
Quicker and easier.
yeah.
Here it's all about being fancy, right? So,
De-stressing activity. Just
India is all
poke
about
the
being
pipe.
Islamic.
so yeah, so then that's it. See, it's so easy, Ruchi, right? You just mix and then you're done.
Yeah, you
And
definitely looks
no,
easy.
after 10 minutes, this will go in for 50 minutes. You're done with two pies.
Okay.
Wow.
So, okay, this will make 2 pies, is it?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
right now. I just rolled one, just
Okay.
for showing. I have another dough in the fridge.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want, I can send you the recipe of the homemade crust
Okay.
because
That
then
would be
there is
nice.
no
Yeah.
other stuff going in there, and they put like all kinds of stuff in there, like palm oil.
Chemicals, right? Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
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 And this one, you actually they put the what is it? The Crisco, the shortening, right?
Mm.
But for that flakiness.
Right.
But I make it with butter because I cannot eat that shortening.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And once you start making things at home, it's like you just feel the flavor is so much better
Yeah, I
than.
mean, I don't mind little less flakiness,
Yeah.
but eat the right
But
way.
you know what you're eating and it's
Yeah,
good
Yeah.
for you, right?
store bought, I don't know when they make it and they freeze it, but then for this class it was easier because you have to actually put it overnight, the dough.
Mm.
I see.
And for convenience, I wrote like, okay, you can get, and many people don't want to go through that hassle. So,
Right.
Correct.
Correct.
but at
Correct.
least whole foods with less ingredients, it's a good thing.
Right.
Yeah.
So now this is the easiest, okay? So while that is happening, you just have to put like the 1 tablespoon puree in here and then all the other ingredients. So it is the same masala that we did, the spice, pumpkin spice. That is going to go half teaspoon. And then you could just do like 1 egg, that's fine. Basically, you just dump all the ingredients in the mug. And then the baking powder.
So you don't have to pre-mix and then put just dump everything in the mug and do it.
Yeah. So you just go through here. Sorry, I did not.
Yeah, I didn't see the baking powder.
Yeah.
I was
Here.
wondering. or it's a different ingredient?
So it's basically the same thing. So that's why I decided on this because it's all the ingredients are out. So while that is baking, we can make a mug cake.
This is not very clear. Can you just send us the
Oh, it's
ingredients
not
later?
clear.
That's okay. It's okay.
Mug cake.
Okay, okay, okay. I will send it to you.
Yeah,
I
sure.
think Manjari has it too.
Right.
Yeah, I don't know. It did not show up on the thing, right? I think it just showed the.
Just showed the pie.
I think so.
Okay.
I
So
mean the
here it says
ingredients.
2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
one
I don't know.
sixth.
Can you see this one?
No, it's not too
No, no,
big.
no.
No,
It's okay.
it
I'll send it to you. Yeah. So
so
it's basically just 2 tablespoons of. You can take whole wheat also. Okay, so you don't have to do maida. You can just do
okay.
whole wheat. Yeah. I just had one here. Seriously? Hold on. Oh, it's here. So the all-purpose 2 tablespoons. So it's like little craving when you don't want to eat too much. And then
Yeah, portion control.
yeah, and then what else do we need? Egg. Oh,
So again, you can put the same spice mix here,
yeah,
right?
I already did. Yeah,
Okay.
and then pinch of salt, of course, and then
In your recipe here, you have written 1 egg white.
yeah, you can add 1 egg. That's fine.
Okay.
I think. Just with the fork. And you can add the chocolate chips inside or on top. It's up. I mean, the kids like all the chocolate. The more the chocolate, the better.
But won't it like overpower the pumpkin spice?
Overpower?
Like this is pumpkin one, right?
Yeah,
Okay. But you said you can add chocolate to it?
chocolate chips.
Okay, okay, in
Just to
between.
make it fancy for the
Okay.
kids. And you cannot go wrong with chocolate chips any day, right? So
Yep.
and then we are doing maple syrup instead of sugar.
Okay.
Healthy. And then again the fall theme with the maple syrup. That's it. And 1 to 1.5 minutes depending on your microwave setting.
Yeah, if you can make it so that we'll have a finished one.
Yes. Then I'll show you the pie also. Then we'll just dump everything and I'll bake it. Oh, in the meantime, let me show you this. So, for the pie, even if you get like the store bought, you just make like a foil covering to cover the sides of the pie.
Okay, so it doesn't
Like this.
burn.
Yeah. Like usually the crust will burn on the edges.
Okay.
So around like, so basically the pie is supposed to bake for like 50 minutes. So at 25, you set up a timer and then just put these like 2 around it and then it won't burn. Yeah, that's
Okay.
another-
So the later half of the baking, it
Yes,
should be
yes.
covered. Okay.
Yeah. Not like, no, not covered, just the edges.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So that's why you just make like a little.
Okay.
For this also you actually get like a pie crust.
Gadgets.
Maybe. So mine was little soggy after a minute, so I'm just keeping it for like 20 more seconds.
Oh,
Wow, I can smell it.
Hold on, I'll just.
oh,
So,
that's cool.
Ooh.
yeah. So basically, the same thing, it has to come out clean.
Okay.
And then you add whipping cream and just eat it.
Ah.
To me, Radhika, I'm so lazy with pies. I would just give mug cakes to everyone. Here, have your dessert.
The kids will be like, what is wrong with mom? I know you're not lazy when it comes to cooking, okay?
Spicy cooking.
Yeah, I can take this out. Just to show you and then. So see, now it did not fluff up.
Huh. Okay. So you just
Now you just
work
fill
it
it.
basically.
Yeah, you fill it with the warm crust and then
Okay.
keep it for baking for 50 minutes and you're done.
You fill it up
Okay.
all the way to the top, or you do it like 3/4 of the pie?
3/4, 3/4. Always everything 3/4 because
Rise a
and
little
then
bit.
maybe after 50 minutes, like when you put the toothpick, the center might be a little wobbly, but then it settles once it's cool. So don't overdo it just because it's not happening. So the center is sometimes little wobbly, but then it nicely
Settles
like
down.
molds. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So are you going to pour that in? Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Because my oven is ready, so why not?
Okay.
And I'm going to freeze it anyway, so at least one thing out of my,
Yeah, it's done for you.
yeah, out of my way.
Wow, that looks so good. That's the only pie I like to eat, pumpkin pie.
Oh,
I find
really?
the others
I
too
know,
sweet.
yeah. The boys,
Yeah,
also, they don't
I
like
can't.
that.
Yeah, those pecan pies, they
Yeah,
are way too sweet,
they're
right?
great.
Way
That's
too
what,
sweet.
yeah,
But
too
then when you
caramely.
make it at home, that's the best part, right? Like you could just control the sugar going in.
Yeah.
So, and if you can make it, why not?
Yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah, that's it.
This is a 9-inch one that you're
9 inch,
making?
yes, and preferably the glass one. I mean, the ceramic also is good if you have, but the glass bakes it evenly.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good to know.
Yeah, so if you have, I mean, if you have the option of glass, always go with glass.
Okay.
That was quick.
Yeah, you are really
Yeah,
versed
it's just
in.
us two asking you questions. Otherwise, there used to be so many.
I know. It's always like, always, auntie, auntie, auntie.
Auntie, yes. How much butter?
How much did you
What
say
do
the
I
flour?
do?
How
Do I
much did you
preheat
say
the
the
oven?
Yeah, done. So I'll send you the
If you
mug
can
cake.
hold it against
Oh,
your camera, I can take a picture too.
okay. But
Give me 1 second.
is it clear? Because I cannot see it.
Oh, that's perfect.
Okay.
Yes. Got it.
Okay.
And
And
it
I'll
goes
also
in the
send
oven for
you.
how long? How much did you
Pardon
say?
me?
How long are we baking it?
50 minutes.
1/5.
No, 50, 50.
50. Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. Because it is lot of batter going in. Right? So
Correct. And
50.
So
350 degrees is what you said, right? I'm sorry, I missed that.
Yeah. So, I don't know if you want to take a picture of this too, because I wrote here that cover with the foil, so that way you guys have it.
Perfect. 375. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And then cover with the foil like 25-minute mark.
Okay.
That really helps. Otherwise, it becomes really brown. I'll show you. Hold on.
I guess once you fire up the oven, you just put all the veggies or whatever is baking plus two pies
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah, yeah. That helps too. Yeah, but then it has to cool down before eating, right? So,
right, right.
I mean, I'll show you how my Thursday one is. I just took it out to show you guys.
Oh,
Oh my
So
God.
this
nice.
I tried those. I
Cookies
just had
can,
like flower cutter, so I tried, but
right.
it looks good. I'm going to try the maple leaves.
It looks
But see,
really nice.
the
Yeah.
crust didn't burn.
Right, right.
It's like how we eat the khari biscuit, right? It is exactly like that. Yeah.
Nice. So the nice texture to it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it stays really nice for like now they have been eating. This is the only piece left. I was like, save it for me. I have to show something.
That's very nice.
Yeah, because
Cool.
since I made it, I'm like, I can show because 50 minutes it's not going to be over.
Right,
So,
right. Your house is going to smell divine again.
yes. After Diwali, this is a welcome flavor. After all the ghee and oil.
Oh my, I had again like the same stuff today
Oh
for
no.
lunch. Yeah,
We were done.
we are done now. We're done with Diwali things enough.
I know, I know.
But yeah, so now the eating frenzy begins for us from Diwali, right?
Yeah.
Thanksgiving and then
Till
get
New
into
Year.
the, yeah, yeah. So
And then
But at
beyond
least
New
this
Year's
time we don't
also.
have so many get-togethers.
then the resolution gets in like kicks in for a day or two.
I
Oh,
know.
great, great. This is
And
nice.
if you don't have the big one, you can also make small ones, okay? So you don't have to worry if you don't have like a you don't have to have a pie pan. You can just make it. I also make like for my daycare kids, I just make it in normal muffin pan. Just line it up. So
Yeah,
individual serving, so it doesn't go waste.
that's a
Okay.
good idea too. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, because otherwise they'll just eat and then I'm full and this and that, so I don't.
Right, right. Makes
So
sense.
they look pretty too. I don't have them, but they just took it home and
So some tartlets also will look
yeah,
good,
yeah, yeah.
right?
Like you get those mini pans, right?
Right, right.
Tart pans. They come out. Let me show you. They come out really cute.
Oh, okay, I
Oh
see.
yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
really
Yeah.
nice.
This
So
is good for individual and maybe
yeah. So they made their little designs on it. So like four
Oh,
each. They took four home.
that's nice.
Yeah. So this is how it looks. All in the cupcake pans.
hmm,
So they rolled their own and they also made edges on with the fork, like you can make those
okay.
lines, fancy stuff. So yeah, they like
They're
it.
having fun party time at your daycares
Oh yeah,
for
yeah, yeah,
sure.
they do. They do. That's why they're like they don't want to miss it because they get to cook and garden and do everything. So
Great, great.
All right, good.
cool. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, this was great. In half an hour, wow, we've learned something.
I know, I know.
Yeah, this time because we didn't have the chitter chatter of the little ones.
Yeah, it's fun too, right, with
Oh
them.
yeah, I
So
love it. I mean, I'm so used to it, I miss it.
good, but
Yeah, this
yeah.
was great.
So
Yeah.
Thank you,
So I don't
Radhika.
know if for
Yeah.
December then do you not want to keep it during the holiday weekend? I don't know. Let's see.
we'll check it out,
Something
let
we
you
can
know.
think about, yeah.
Right, we can think about.
Yeah.
You haven't given us a theme yet, right? We are still
Oh no,
waiting
no,
on
no.
that.
I'm. Oh yeah. Yeah,